Hello, today we are going to learn how to remove this debugger banner from the Flutter app. Whenever you create a new project in Flutter, you will get to see this debugger sign here. So today we'll learn how to remove this. Okay. First, let me clear this floating action and this text in the center. Okay. For this, I will remove this home page widget code which was called there, so we'll have to remove this also. So here I'll give it scaffold. Okay, we'll also remove this comment section and also this comment. Okay, I have removed this because you will get to see the clear image. Okay, when I refresh this text in the center and this floating action bar will be gone. Okay. Okay. So the debugger sign is still there. We just have to write one code in the material app. There is a debug check debug show check mode banner field. Okay. It takes boolean value, so we will give it false. That's it. It will automatically remove the banner sign. Okay, that's it. So we'll see something new in the next video. We'll learn something new in the next video. Thank you.